Only 5, 7 sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Very easy formulas are there, right?
Yes, sir, I will do that.
If you revise, it will take how much time will it take? You just only tell me how much time you want to revise all the formulas.
I don't know, sir. I will do, sir.
You don't know. What you don't know? Okay, how much time it will take?
Yes, sir.
Why? How many formulas are there in the last class? How much I taught to you?
You
6
thought many,
formulas.
sir.
6 formulas, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sine, cosec, tan, cot, sec, and cos.
Hmm. So 6 formula we can remember in 6 days, right? Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
One formula one day will take to revise. Hmm.
Sir, I will do, sir.
Okay, we'll start. The same thing will start now. Satvik on your camera, Sai Charan, Priyanshu.
Sir, I will on, sir, after 5-10 minutes.
Why? 5-10 minutes. So these were the questions what we are doing in last class. Till where we have done? Till the 5th question we have done, no? 6th, 7th. 7th I done. I think
From here we need to do, sir. Eighth one.
8th one, right? This one,
Yeah.
3 cot A, this one.
Yeah.
So 3 cot A is equals to 4. So whether this means you have to prove whether this is equal or not. You have to prove whether these are equal or not. 3 cot A is equals to 4. And check whether 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equals to cos square A minus sin square A. So Priyanshu, 1 minute. Sai Charan. Sai Charan, are you there in the meeting? Sai Charan, can you hear me or not? Why is not responding? I remove him, then he'll respond, I think.
Sir, who, sir?
You only. I'm just calling your name. You're not telling your name. Means you're not telling yes or no. Anything.
Sir, I went to get the pens.
Pen na. On your camera now.
Yes, sir.
On your camera fast.
Sir, I can't, sir. It's breaking, sir.
What is breaking?
It's stucking, sir.
You on your camera now. Then we'll see whether it's stucking or not. On your camera.
No, sir. It will get switched off, sir. Means I will log through this when I do not have any device. This tab, sir. That's what.
Achha. Then who? Only 3 people are there. Okay. Satvik went. See, the question is 3 cot A is equals to 4. So cot A is equals to 4 by 3. The answer is clear. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. So cot formula is A by O. Means adjacent and hypotenuse, you know. So you have to find H. H is equals to root over A square plus O square. So A is 4 square, O is 3 square. So we'll get answer 5. Okay. Now put the values. We are doing LHS part. This is LHS. And this one is
Sir,
RHS.
I'm not able to understand anything, sir.
What, you not able to?
Understand anything, sir.
Sai Charan, you revised those formulas what we have learnt last class.
No, sir. The yesterday's topic was clear, sir, but Now it's a bit confusing, sir.
What you read yesterday, tell me. Saicharan, what you
Sir
have
means
Ah.
when they gave opposite side and hypotenuse,
Hmm.
then they used to tell find sine A, like cos A, sir. Those I understood, sir. When they tell that like cot A equals to 4/3, then
Hmm.
find the hypotenuse, and those all I did not understand that.
So cot a formula you know in opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse form. Cot formula you know.
Sir,
Sir, cot means so cot means adjacent side by opposite side.
It means that you have to find hypotenuse, obviously, right?
Yes, sir.
So on finding hypotenuse, we got is 5. Okay, till here is clear now, Saicharan.
Yes, sir.
Hania, you were telling something.
sir, done.
Okay, these both are means same only.
Equal. Yes, sir.
Now see, Saicharan, in this part, LHS part, we are getting tan square A, right? LHS part, we are having tan square A. So tan square is nothing but O by A whole square, correct? Saicharan, is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we are getting 9 by 16. And here we are getting in the RHS part, we are getting cos square A. So cos square A is equal to what? A by H whole square. So A is 4, H is 5. This whole square we are getting, right? So we're getting it as 16 by 25. If you write here sine square A, the sine square A can be written as so O by H whole square, and you can write it as 3 by 5 whole square, that is 9 by 25. Till here is clear to you, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir.
Priyansh,
So what did we start today?
you can see here, no, last class what we have read, Sai Ritvik?
Sir, I didn't understand what we're doing. I came late because of a bit of lag.
No, last class you are there, no?
Sir, last class,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
is absent, sir.
Who
No,
is
sir, I
absent?
was there for last class. We were doing quadrilaterals.
Quadrilaterals.
Yes,
Trigonometry.
sir.
Sir is absent, sir, on last class, sir.
Yes, sir. Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I was absent that day. What do you mean Wednesday, sir?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Oh, yes, sir. Is this trigonometry?
Yeah, trigonometry basic concept we are learning. Last
Oh,
class we
okay,
start.
sir. Okay, sir.
So, I'll tell you later, not a problem. What Sai Ritvik, I'll just.
Yes, sir. It's no issue. I'll just watch the recording.
So here what we are doing here, tan square A is equal to, this part we understood. Now we are getting it as LHS part. We just solve here 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 minus 1 plus tan square A is equals to 1 minus tan square A means 1 minus tan square is 9 by 16 whole square divided by 1 plus 9 by 16 whole square. What is coming, Hania, after solving this? 1 minus
7 by
8
25.
whole 7 by 25 is coming. No, children, you can
Yes,
solve this. We are not going to solve each and everything here. 7 by 25 you can solve. Again here also this is your LHS part.
Doubt, sir.
Ask.
Sir means here we got tan square A equals 9 by 16, sir. Then why again tan square here when we are dividing it with 1 plus tan square?
No,
A,
in the
sir?
question you see, Saicharan, see the question here. 1 minus tan square A divided by question only is there like that.
Yes, sir. Means when we found tan square A, sir, the answer is 9 by 16. Right?
9 by 16 is only tan square A, no? But we have to solve LHS and RHS part completely. The LHS part is not only tan square A. LHS part is complete whole thing. This whole part is LHS.
Okay, sir.
So LHS part you solved completely on LHS part. This is your LHS part. And we got answer as 7 by 25. Then we can solve RHS part also. So RHS part is cos square A minus sine square A. See, you just ask again also, okay, you have find cos square A and sine square A, then why we are finding cos square A minus sine square A? So because they are asking in the question only, Sai Charan, see here, RHS part is
Means not like that, sir. Means I'm telling that when we found that cos square A here is 16 by 25, sir, then again why we will write 16 by 25 whole square, sir, minus 9 by
Big.
25.
Acha, हाँ, you are correct. So this is only 9 by 16 only will be there, right? Correct,
Yes,
no?
sir.
हाँ, correct. You are correct. We should not do again here whole square, yes. So cos square A is 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. So here 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 by 25 here also we got. And LHS is equals to what? RHS verified. Pulastya,
Yes.
on your camera. Sai
Okay.
Ritvik.
Give me a second.
Jada. Now see the next question. In triangle ABC, fruits like the ice cream do. So in triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay. Tan A is equals to 1 by 3. Find the value of sin A cos C, cos A sin C. Priyanshu, can you find? Sai Ritvik, so happy. What happened today?
Nothing, sir.
You are not happy.
What,
No,
sir?
sir, I'm happy, but it was just like my mother was talking to me, sir.
Acha. Priyanshu, you can do this, right? See, I'm just doing the same question here.
Yes.
See, the question is like the question is like here, right angle at B. B is a right angle, and you are having A, B, and here is C. Okay. So in this triangle, here two triangles is given here. See, sin A and cos C. So once you should consider C as acute angle, and once you consider A as acute angle, right? Suppose I'm telling here this is acute angle. Now again same thing I'm copying over here. See, this one I'm copying, copy, and here again paste. Okay. So the same I've copied here, question. And once I'm making here that angle A is acute. Now see children here, if this angle is acute at angle A, so opposite is BC, hypotenuse will be here only, adjacent is AB. It's clear. If this is theta, C is acute, then
The first bit answer is 1.
Oh, Nihar, you came.
Yes, sir.
Why you are joining late?
Sir, net issues.
Huh, what you are saying, Hania, now?
First bit answer is 1.
Okay, answer is 1. Okay. So tan A is 1 by root 3. So tan A, say.
Sir, means if we what values we get for the opposite side and adjacent side, sir, the same will differ, means go for the sin A opposite side and adjacent
Yes.
side.
For sin A, you should consider this triangle. This is for A angle, okay? And this is for C angle. Okay, because for angle C, in this case we are just letting this is acute angle, and in the first case we are taking it as A is acute angle over here. Okay. So this is for sine A, cos A, whatever it is, and this one is for sine C, cos C. Okay. So O square here is 1 square plus root 3 whole square.
Sir, hypotenuse is 2, sir.
Hypotenuse is 2. Yes. So opposite is here. Tan A is A part they have given, that is 1. 1 is here. Root 3 is your adjacent, and hypotenuse is 2. And same thing you should write here also. Root 3, here is 1 and here is 2. Okay. So 2, 1, root 3.
The second one answer is 0.
Second one answer is 0. Both 0 only, right?
So I don't know about first one, but second one is 0.
Acha, okay.
Like first one I didn't solve.
So sine A, if you see here, for sine A opposite by hypotenuse, cos C is base by, sorry, adjacent by hypotenuse. I should not write base. Adjacent by hypotenuse plus cos A, same thing you write A by H, and sine CB is O by H. But don't write all these things here. Directly you can write, suppose sine A, you know that O by H, right? So A, this angle you should prefer first one. So O by H, what is O here? O is 1 and H is 2. Multiply cos C. For cos C you should go for this triangle. The cos C formula is A by
1 by 2.
1 by 2 again, plus cos A, first
Root
formula,
3 by 2.
root 3 by 2, again root 3 by 2, right?
Yes.
So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2, so answer is 1. Answer is what? 4
3
here.
by 4, sir. 3 by, yeah.
That is 1. So answer is 1 for first one. And for second one, what is the answer?
So I got it 0.
So root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus sine A is 1 by 2 and sine C is root 3 by 2. So both are same if you see. The answer is what?
0.
0. Next question is bit different one. Okay. Next question, 10th is very. So till here, anyone having doubt? Sai Charan, you're getting doubt in this?
No, sir.
Priyanshu? Sai Ritik, you may have doubt, right? Because formula, you don't know the formulas, right? Sai
Yes, sir. I'm just observing the procedures.
So 10th question, you see whether you can do it or not. See, this is the 10th question. Try once. Who is knowing this answer, just try once. In triangle PQR, draw the diagram at least. PR plus QR is 25 centimeter. PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sine P, cos P, tan P.
Sir, if PR plus QR equals 25 and PQ 5, that means the perimeter is 30, right?
How perimeter becomes 30? Perimeter becomes sum of 3 sides, right? So
Yes,
this
the
is
perimeter is 30 only, no then.
Yes, sir, because
Yeah.
it's sum of 2 plus
perimeter is
sum of
30.
1.
Perimeter is 30 only, yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but we cannot find with the perimeter.
Perimeter is actually not required only here in this case. So PR, QR and PQ. Okay.
So I found the sides now. I have to do that value of.
You find the sides, all the sides you found.
Sir, I found all the sides.
Okay, tell me the sides now.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll just tell you the final answer for you.
Okay, fine. Tell me the sides only, just get to know. Tell me the only sides only you tell.
Sides are 5, 12, 13.
Acha, okay, 5, 12 and 13. Fine.
Sir, done. Sine
Yes,
P
Sir, sine P
sine
is
P
2 by
equals to
13.
12 by 13,
Cos P is 5 by
cos
13 and
5 by 13
tan P
and
is 12
tan
by
P
12 by
12
5.
by 5.
okay. So here only one trick is there. Not trick, simply PR and QR is 25. It means that you can let anyone as X. So PR is X. So QR becomes what? 25 minus X, right?
Yes, sir.
This and PQ is already given, that is 5 centimeter. Then by Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of X. If you find the value of X, you will get the value of PR and QR. If this is X, this is 25 minus X, and this PQ is 5 they've given, no? So PR we have written it as X, okay, this is X. Now you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So X square is equals to 25 minus X whole square plus 5 square. Now solve this. X square is equals to 625 plus X square minus 50X plus 25, X square cancelled. So you'll get it as 50X is equals to 600. Sorry, 650, right? So X is equal to 13. Then put X equal to 13. So obviously this will come 12, the 12, 13 and 5. Now you can find easily sin P, cos P, tan P, whatever the formula, you can find it. This is the last question, I think, of this exercise.
Here is the answer 12 by 13, 5 by 13 and 12 by 5. Sir.
Yes, that only the answer. Priyanshu,
Sir.
what are you doing there now? You're solving the question.
Sir, I'm not getting, sir. I'm struggling, sir. Try for 1 minute. Yes.
Okay, we'll just
I will
do
take a
the
screenshot, sir.
You will take the screenshot of this. Take.
Yes, sir.
But which part you are not getting, Priyanshu? Because due to only formula you are not getting, or any concept is lacking behind
Sir,
what?
formula, sir, I have not revised, sir. And sir, I have not copied, sir, now.
No problem, formula. See here, what I am telling here, formula only. No, see here. These are the only 3 formulas. What formula we are using?
Okay, sir, I will.
No other formula we are using here. Just drawing the question, finding the answer.
I am not get interesting, sir. This is only matter, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I'm not getting interest, sir, in this topic.
So next question is question.
Sir,
number-
one doubt.
Huh.
Sir, there the formulas, is it 0 by h or O by h?
O by H, opposite by hypotenuse. Yesterday I told you the shortcut method one.
Okay.
Opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent
So,
by
sir, for PR, what would be the opposite?
which one? PR.
What is the opposite of PR? Is it angle Q or something?
No, any angle. See, sin P as given means P is your acute angle.
Okay.
So in front of P will be opposite. This is opposite, like this one.
Understood, sir.
And your other will be your adjacent, and this will be hypotenuse. Already everyone knows, right?
Yes, sir.
You are having doubt in opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. The opposite is nothing but the angle which you are taking. No, उसके सामने वाला angle. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Now next question. This question is 11th. So now true and false is there. Few questions, true or false. First question is true or false. Tell me, all of you. If you are
So
remembered.
false.
False, sir. False.
Always the value of tan A is always less than 1. Why this is false? What should be the, what is the maximum value of tan A? What is the maximum value of tan A? Who will tell me? Sai Ritvik, Priyanshu, Pulastya. Can you tell me? Maximum value of tan A. Here they are asking, here in the question they have given as the value of tan A is always less than 1. What is the maximum value of tan A? Maximum value of tan A.
Or is it infinite, sir?
Yeah, infinite. Yes. It's infinity. Maximum value of tan A is infinity. So infinity is more than 1 obviously. So this is false. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle of A. Is it true or false? Sec A
True,
is,
sir.
huh? Sec A is true or
True,
false?
sir.
Why this is true? Why this is true?
So it can be true, right? For some value of angle A, for some,
It not
so
can be.
any.
It not can be 100%. It sure only, because sec A formula is what? Cos A formula is A by H. This is H by A. So H is always greater than A. Correct? If I given here 5 by 12, so this is what? False only. Correct?
Yes, sir, that can be true. No?
It's true only.
Because the hypotenuse side is the greater one.
Always greater than opposite or adjacent. Third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A.
No, sir, wrong. False.
False, because cos is different and cosec is different. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Yesterday we have read, right?
Sine is the cosine something. So cos is cosine.
Cos is cosine. Cosine you can say. Cosine you can say. This is cosec. The cosec, this is reciprocal of sine. Next one is cot A is the product of cot and A.
Cot A. No, sir.
No, sir. It's an angle.
False, sir.
We can't multiply cot and A separately. This cot A is complete part only. Cot
Yes,
is
sir.
without angle. This is undefined only. Cot you can't write only cot. Now sine theta is equal to 4
This
by
is false, sir.
false.
Because the opposite angle cannot be more than the hypotenuse.
O by H.
No.
The hypotenuse is smaller. So this is false. So now next one is you have to see, find the value and tell me. Sine 60, cos 30. Only you just put the values. See, I'll tell you the value also. Sine 60 is, who will tell me? Sai Charan, do you know? Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is also 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2.
But we can't.
So 4 by 1. Yeah, 1.
So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The answer is
1.
1. Pulastya is clear to you? Pulastya?
Yes.
Next question is question number, this question you see. Tan square 45 degree plus cos square 45 degree minus sin square 60 degree. So tan 45 is 1 square, and 2 is mentioned in front of that, plus cos 30 is cos 30, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 is nothing but cos 30 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So this will get cancelled completely. The answer is only 2, right? Is it correct? Sai, Ritvik, Priyanshu, Nihar, on your cameras. Sai, Ritvik, why you off your camera again and again? Sai, Ritvik,
Sir, a bit of problem.
problem with what? Camera with or with you?
Not with me, sir, with the camera.
Okay. This one you solve now. Third question. Third question who will solve, then I'll just tell you the proper answer you want. Third one. Who will solve in 4 minutes time? I'm giving 4 minutes time to you. Right now 2039. I'm giving time till 2043 or 2044. You solve this question and tell me the correct answer. In this question, denominator should not be in root. See, while solving the questions, denominator should not be in root. Okay. In that way, you solve and tell me. Question number 3. If you want the values, I'll just tell you the values here. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, Sai Ritvik. And again sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Plus cosec 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. The cosec 30 is 2. You have to solve this one. Sai Ritvik, you can solve this. Just try once.
So which formula do we apply?
Not formula. Simply we have put the values of cos 45, that is 1 by root 2. 6 is 30, that is 2 by root 3. Cosec 30 is 2. Simply we have put the formula here.
Oh, okay. I'll try, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, is it division?
Yeah, division only.
Okay.
Sir, I got it.
Tell Sai Charan.
Sir, it's root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2.
Tell once again. 3.
Root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6.
2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, right?
Yes, sir.
But I told that denominator should not be in root.
Oh, yes, sir.
Four root six. Just a minute. Sir, root 6 minus 3 root 2 by 7.
Sir, I got 3 root 2 minus root 6
Sir,
by
I got it, sir.
3 root 2 minus.
root 6 by 8, sir. I got.
Tell Nihar.
Sir, minus 4 root 2 minus minus 3 root 6 plus 2 root 21 plus 3 root 18 by 2.
बाप रे, कितना आंसर मिल गया एक साथ. Okay, I'll ask you step by step. That only will do, Nihar. Okay, what you have done, we just go step by what you have done here. Okay, so I ask you, Will tell me how I have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just doing here. You tell me you have done the same step or different step. 1 by root 2. Then we have done here 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Till here is clear?
Sir, it's 2 or root 2. So the value of cosec 30 is root 2, right?
Root 2. Root 2 where it is coming?
Oh, sorry, yeah, 2 only. Then I made mistakes, sir. Sorry.
Acha.
Sir, even I made a mistake.
Cosec.
I think
Yes.
Sai Charan is correct, I think. What told tell once again Sai
Sir, 1
Charan?
minute, sir. Then I'll do it again. 1 minute.
Sir, it's 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8, sir.
Okay, fine. I think this is correct. Let me check the answer is same or different. 3 root 2 minus root 6. Yeah, answer is same. Correct answer. Sai Charan, if you are so confident, no. Then you can do one favor of one question more. Similar question. The question number 4th is easy. You may stuck in 5th question. You can do 5th part of it. Sai Charan. Priyanshu, this
I need
much.
to do fifth one, sir.
Sir, what's the answer?
What, sir?
Which answer, Hania? Third one you are saying or which one?
Yeah, third one.
This is the answer, final answer. 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. Who is this? Priyanshu, you.
Sir, I'm in mute, sir.
Sir, me.
Acha, okay. Baapre.
Sir, it seems Sir Hania, sir.
It seems no, she already told.
Yeah.
Priyanshu, this one you are getting or not this much?
Sir, I'm solving, sir. It like
Sir, now should I do fifth one, sir?
Yeah, Sai Charan, you can do 4th one also, 5th one also, no problem. I think 5th only you may stuck in 5th question somewhere.
Sir, I'm not solving, sir, because I don't have, sir.
You're not solving because?
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know. What is knowing part here, man? I've
Sir,
written here, no. This much also you can't do. Plus minus you
Sir,
don't know.
Sir, I'm out.
Huh? Plus minus also he doesn't know, Priyanshu.
Sir, I'm not doing, sir. Sir, I'm not getting, sir. I know, sir. Sir, I'm not getting.
I can't hear your voice properly actually. It's breaking and coming.
Sir, it's so boring, sir. We have to only solve. We have to put value on solve, sir. What is this, sir?
What is this? Then what do you want?
Sir, I can do, sir. Hello? I will do, sir. Wait.
Sai Ritvik? Wah, it's problem with your camera only, right? If I tell your camera will hear and on it automatically.
No, sir.
Nihal, you got same 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8.
Yes, sir.
Then which question you are solving now?
5th.
Hania, did you got 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8?
Sir, what's
Yes,
the answer
sir.
for the 5th one?
Huh? What? Nihal?
What's the answer for the 5th one?
Fifth one answer, 1 minute. I have not solved here.
Sir, I got it, sir. Last I need to add.
Only third one I solved here. After this, I not solved only. So fifth one, answer is coming in root form only, right? Then you have confirmed properly. No, you have done same way.
So I'm getting 97 by 12.
No, then it's wrong. 97 by 12 is okay. I'll just come with you only. I'll solve this question.
67 by 12, sir, I am getting 67 by 12.
67 by 12.
Yes, sir.
So I'm getting 97 by 12.
Okay, I'm solving with you. Huh, Nihal, you just tell me where we have to do. So see 5 into cos 60. So cos 60 value
So
is,
square is also there, right?
yeah, I'm doing that only.
Sir, 5 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 2
Your voice
by
is
root 3
echoing.
whole square minus 1 square.
Whose voice? The Sai Charan voice, right? Sorry?
Sir, I have
Your voice,
8%,
sir.
sir, charging.
Mute your mic, Sai Charan.
Sir, I again took the wrong value. I took cos 30 instead of cos 60.
Fourth one you did correctly. Fourth one. Is it after third you are doing fifth one only, right?
Sir,
Yes,
Sai Charan and you are in near, sir. That's why
Sir,
sir voice
directly.
is echoing.
4 sec 30.
Sir, 67 by 12.
67 by 12 we are getting. I don't think this is the answer. Let me check once in the textbook.
So it's not the answer. I went wrong in the formula.
Okay.
Sir, are you solving it? Sir,
No,
could you once say the answer?
1 minute. Just checking the answer only. What is the answer in the textbook? 1 minute. Cos square 60 minus tan square. No, I'm not solved in 1 minute. Tan square 45. Exercises 10.2 exercise. No, this one 8.2. Question number first, fifth one. Yeah, it's correct.
Sir, yeah.
67 by 12. Then where you did mistake?
Sir, nowhere, sir. I saw the wrong formula and I again got confused, and so I started doing it again.
67 by 12 is the correct answer. Fourth one you can make stuck. Fourth one is harder. Some awkward question is there in fourth one. Also, you'll get in root form only. Fourth question. Fourth question you can do means every kind of question you can solve this kind of thing. You can do easily. Fourth one if you solved, then you can do.
Sorry, you're on mute.
Yeah. Which one you are solving, Nihar? Nihar, which one you are solving now?
Sir, I'm doing the fifth again.
Acha, fifth again you are doing.
Yes, sir, I got it wrong now.
Fifth one is easy. Only fourth one you can start doing. Fourth one. How you are doing fourth one, right?
Yes, sir.
Sai Ritvik, I'll tell you the. You are solving or not, Sai Ritvik? After telling the formulas also.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Which one? Third you have tried or not? Third one.
Third, I'm doing, sir. It's a bit hard for me.
Yeah. Third I'll solve here. Shall I solve third one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a complete thing only. Don't come down. Because this is a complete.
Sir, is it 21 minus 16 root 3 by 12?
1 minute. Tell once again.
21 minus 16 root 3 by 12.
No. Answer should be 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Fourth one answer. Sai Ritvik, see question number third only. Okay, I'm solving question number third. So this fourth and fifth, fourth one you can just take it for homework. Fourth one, if you can solve here, well and good. If you're not solve, so see here, 1 by root 2. See Sai Ritvik, what I'm doing now. Multiply by root 3 divide by 2 plus 2 root 3. Can we write like this, Sai Ritvik?
Yes, sir.
Then here we can write root 3 numerator and denominator what we can write 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Again root 3 divided by 2 common you take root 2 plus root 6 multiply by we can write root 2 minus root 6 divided by root 2 minus root 6.
We were
Rationalizing.
rationalizing, right, sir?
Yeah, because we don't want in root form, denominator should not be in root. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Then numerator part what we can write root 3 root 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Okay. What I've written, how I've written, you understood? No, right? See, I'm writing once again. Root 3 into root 2 become root 6. Okay. See,
Sir,
root,
from Monday we are going to start circles.
yeah. What do you want? Fine, no?
Yes, sir.
There is trigonometry done.
Trigonometry only basics only, Sairatvik. Actually, this is not a part of class 9th. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So only we have done basic concept of it.
Okay, sir.
So 2 into 2 minus 6.
Sir, but this will not be coming for the Sunday exam, right?
No, no,
Or will
no.
it?
No, this won't come.
Okay, sir.
Minus 8. And this negative number should not come in negative number should not come in denominator. So you can write 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. See, the answer has come.
Understood, sir. So we just did the we reorganized them and rationalized them. Understood.
Priyanshu,
Sir, can we leave?
you want to leave now?
Sir, time up now.
Acha. Time of 2 minutes is there no still.
Oh, sir, in my laptop it was showing 9 o'clock.
What do you want to do now? Dinner?
Yes, sir. I didn't eat anything.
Okay, you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Take this question as homework, question number 4th.
Yes, sir. I'll just take a screenshot. Done, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Pulastya?
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Have you done? Third question, you got the answer. Third, fourth, fifth.
I didn't get the fourth one.
Yeah, fourth one you can take the homework. You can just try once again. If you want just answer, I'll tell you.
Okay, I'll just try it as homework.
43 minus 24. 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. This is the answer. If you want, you can write it
Okay.
off. 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11. You may get answer in the root in denominator part. That should not be there. Okay. Anya, which question you are doing now?
Fourth one. I finished fifth one.
Okay, fourth one, Anya, you can do at home. No problem. It will take time. I know. Immediately won't come. This answer is bit here and there you should do.